I am Riyanka and you're watching the Riyanka Talkies. So if you remember, I actually started my channel by posting a video about Smitten app. But I hadn't reviewed all the products I got from there. So today I'm going to review all the products that I got from there, and I took my fair share of time to use all those products and give you guys a fair review. I have over here two products from Plum. One, the green tea face wash, and another the green tea daylight sunscreen with SPF 35. First, let's talk about the brand Plum. Well, Plum is India's first 100% vegan skincare brand. It is SLS free, paraben free, and it also recycles plastic. First, let's talk about the green tea pore cleansing face wash. Well, it is one of the best face washes I've ever used. Like, I have a combination skin and face washes tend to dry out my skin. Like, I have never used a face wash which suits me so well. This face wash is soap free and very light on the skin. Key ingredients of this face wash are green tea extracts, glycolic acid and cellulose beads. Well, green tea extracts have antioxidants and also have got polyphenol, which contains all the antioxidant properties that are very good for the skin. Glycolic acid is actually known to clear out your skin, brighten your skin, and also clear out all the clogged pores. Cellulose beads acts as natural exfoliants and are very good and soft to your skin. Sadly, this face wash is not recommended for very dry or very sensitive skin. This face wash is for normal skin, combination skin, or oily skin. Now let's talk about the next product. That is the Daylight Green Tea Sunscreen with SPF 35 from Plum. Well, personally, I prefer using a sunblock powder over sunscreen because sunscreen tends to oxidize on my skin and make me look very greasy and oily. But this sunscreen is a real game changer. It is so good, so non-greasy and so light on my skin. I am really in love with this sunscreen. Even the ingredients are so nourishing for the skin. Sunscreen has got a non-comedogenic formula, which means that this sunscreen will not clog your pores. It has got extracts from aloe vera, goji berry, licorice, calendula, green tea. It has got argan oil and whatnot. All these ingredients are so good for the skin. I will recommend this sunscreen to everyone except for dry skin. This sunscreen is not for very dry skin. The third product that I have with me is a 3-in-1 mud mask from Sage Apothecary. Well, first let me talk about the brand. This is a very new Indian brand. That's why I couldn't find any information about it. But I will review the product straight away. Well, this product is a decent product. It is nothing too fancy or nothing very game changing. It is a normal product, and if anybody is on a tight budget, then they can use it. The key ingredients of this product are charcoal, bentonite clay, aloe vera, sesame oil, orange extracts, I guess. Yeah, orange. And there is one product that I am very skeptical about. That is walnut extracts. I hate walnut extracts on my skin. They tend to create micro tears on my skin. I don't prefer using anything that has got walnut scrub. So for me, this product is a no-no. But if anybody wants to try it out, they can try it out on their own risk. But I would recommend to avoid walnut extracts. The fourth product that I have with me is a sandalwood and turmeric face mask from Twak. This brand was founded in 2016 by an incredible woman called Pritika. This brand is SLS free, paraben free, cruelty free and 100% natural. Three ingredients of this product are turmeric, sandalwood, earth clay, bentonite clay, olive oil and glycolic acid. Well, all of these ingredients are so good for the skin. My skin is a combination skin and it is also a bit rash prone. Like, I do get rashes on my face often, if I don't take good care. And I have used this product like 5 times, and every time I use this product I was so satisfied with it. It actually brightened my skin. It also helped me in curing the rashes. It was so gentle on my skin. I'm very happy with this product. I would recommend everyone for using this product. This product is for every type of skin. Products that I have is a green tea body slush from Anor. Anor is an Indian brand which caters for body and bathing essentials. Well, this brand is a cruelty-free, paraben-free and sulfate-free brand. Now coming to the product, I have used this product twice before giving a review. It is a good product. It cleanses out your skin, it doesn't dry out your body, and it actually makes your skin feel soft and nourished. This scrub is a good scrub within a budget. The next and the last product that I have is Indus Valley Hair Ease Spa Cream. Well, this spa cream is a very affordable spa cream. I think the full size product costs only 199. It's within 200 rupees only. And if anybody is looking for a very affordable product for their hair, then they can go for this one. This is a decent product. I have used this product 3-4 times before giving this review. I have used this product as a conditioner, and twice I have used this as an actual spa cream. Well, you can use this as a spa cream, as a leave-in conditioner, as a conditioner, and also as a heat protectant. But I don't use hair tools, so I haven't used this as a heat protectant, but I have used this as a spa cream and a conditioner, and both ways it worked okay. All of the products that I have reviewed today are from Indian brands. Well, I strongly believe in vocal for local. Let's support our local Indian brands to flourish and grow, because they are from our country and this will help in stabilizing our economy. Just a small disclaimer, just because I have reviewed these products and these products have worked for me doesn't mean that this product will work for everybody. Different products work differently on different type of skins. I hope I have been helpful to anybody who is looking forward to try affordable Indian skincare. Now, I'll take your leave. Please stay indoors, stay safe, take good care of yourself. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.